And now I would like to request Honorable Professor Dr. Milind Pandey, Pro Vice Chancellor, MIT WPU, to please address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So very good morning to every one of you. Let me put my Thank you so much, Dr. Lime, Dr. Baheti. Welcome you all my friends. Very good morning to you. It's a great honor to again welcoming you, receive you on this farewell function. My appeal to every one of you is we have a long legacy of MIT group of institutions, and that to MIP, Maharashtra Institute of Pharmacy. Our founder president, our executive president, I remember many of the occasion you might have heard our founder president, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Dikarat. You always used to say how our MIPians should be. They should be professionally sound, mentally alert, intellectually sharp, and spiritually elevated. This is the only institution across the country who started practicing value-based universal education system. What are those values? How to imbibe that culture, the values into the mindset of the students. We want our students should be the innovation in head, compassion in heart, and passion in belly. That is the way you can take up this message to the entire world, entire community. My friends, you was a part of this great legacy of MIT group of institutions, the institute which founded by the academician, not by industrialist or not by the politician. This is the difference. The day one, the entire focus is on quality education, how we can deliver the best education, how we can prepare the peace living global society. That is the aim of this institution. I would like to thank your parents. I would like to thank your mentors. I would like to thank your project guides who really shape your career, your future, and they made you ready to face the industry, the industrial challenges. We are talking of industry 4.0, 5.0. We also started talking of education 4.0. Let me tell you, the old days gone when education 1.0 used to be the, am I audible? Any problem?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
When I said education 4.0, what it means, when we thought of education 1.0, it is all the Guru Shishya based parampara, the typical Gurukul kind of a system. When 2.0, when printing press got invented, we started with the libraries, books, the bricks and mortars. When we said WW came into existence in 1990, we started with the education 3.0. And my friends, we are living into the education 4.0. What it means? What it means, the education 4.0, particularly in this pandemic, it meaning the smart education, the intelligent education, education through machines, and smart education. That is what the education 4.0, and these are the 8 technologies which are dominating the AI in pharmacy, the blockchain in pharmacy, the cloud. We are talking of the cloud on campus, digital twin. These are the words of this post-pandemic. Cyber security, data analytics, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, the internet of things, internet of healthy things, internet of everything. And then we started talking of internet of innovations, how the innovations they are taking a lead. You will be known for your projects, your startups, your prototype converting into the products, and that is the need. That innovation culture this MIT institution tried its max to give you. मैं आप सबको विनती करता हूं कि प्लीज बी रिमेन कनेक्ट with the portals, with the coordinates of Maharashtra Institute of Pharmacy. We have to go along. This MIT will be one of the best institution, the institution of eminence of the country, and that day is not far ahead. By 2026, you are feeling proud, and you will continue to be feeling proud that you are a product of this institution called MIT Institute of Pharmacy, the faculty, the School of Pharmacy of MIT World Peace University. The institution known not only in Asia Pacific, in Europe, but across the world with its creature of World Peace Dome, with its concept of practicing value-based universal education system to promote the culture of peace in the world. And my friends, you are all the peace ambassadors of this journey. मुझे दो चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दोस. दो बहुत अच्छे, किसी शायर ने बहुत अच्छे से कहा है कि शब्दों में हो दम इतना कि आह निकलनी चाहिए. शब्द में दम हो इतना कि आह निकलनी चाहिए. दुश्मनों की रंजिशों की दीवार सिमटनी चाहिए. खुदी हो बुलंद इतनी, खुदी हो बुलंद इतनी, बाधाएं पिघलनी चाहिए. मन में कुछ भी ठान लो, तकदीर बदलनी चाहिए. एंड दिस इज द मैसेज माय फ्रेंड्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. मन में कुछ भी ठान लो, तकदीर बदलनी चाहिए. एंड दिस MIT has given you all those inputs where if you think of it, you will change your luck, which you will change your luck. और एक शायर बहुत अच्छे से कहता है, हमने तकदीर की बात की, हमने भाग्य की बात की, ये भी आप समझ लो. एंड दिस विल बी द कंक्लूडिंग शेयर फ्रॉम मी. हम लोग बोलते हैं भाग्य. भाग्य में नहीं था, मैं फॉरेन जाना चाह रहा था, मैं कोई किसी कंपनी में रैनबैक्सी में मेरा सिलेक्शन होना चाहिए था, हुआ नहीं. भाग्य की बात करते हैं, लेकिन ये भाग्य कुछ होता नहीं. एक शेर बहुत अर्ज कर रहा हूं. एक शायर बड़ी अच्छे से लिखता है कि भाग्य, मैं भाग्य के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. भाग्य क्या है? भाग्य, मैं भाग्य के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. मैंने इस पर कभी भरोसा नहीं किया. और जो लोग इस पर एतबार करते हैं, मुझे उनसे डर लगता है. जो भाग्य पे एतबार करते हैं, उनसे मुझे डर लगता है. मेरे लिए भाग्य का मतलब है कड़ी मेहनत और अवसर की पहचान. 3 वर्ड्स मैंने बोल दिया आपको कि मन में कुछ भी ठान लो, तकदीर बदलनी चाहिए. तकदीर बदलना आपके हाथ में है. दूसरी चीज है, भाग्य का मतलब है कड़ी मेहनत, कड़ी मेहनत, कड़ी मेहनत और अवसर की पहचान. यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट आर द बेस्ट possible career path for me. You always need to identify, guys, these are the areas where I can excel and I can make a difference. So making a difference in the life, that should be the priority of you. Thank you very much. Kuchekar sir, namaskar. I don't know whether you are there or not, but I all remain thankful to everyone, every gurus, every faculties. For last 4 years, they taught you, they tried to mold you, they guided you at every instances. I would like to salute them. I would like to convey my best regards to your parents, and be there, be a torch bearer of this MIT World Peace University. You have to go along with all this, जिसको मराठी में शिदोरी ज्याला म्हणतात, की ही जी शिदोरी या संस्थेने तुम्हाला दिली आहे, या शिदोरीच्या भरोशावर तुम्हाला तुमचं जीवनाचं मार्गक्रमण करायचं आहे. पण लक्षात ठेवा, these are the portals which you are living today. You have always to come back, and please remain associated with the coordinates of Maharashtra Institute of Pharmacy and now School of Pharmacy of MIT World Peace University. Thank you so much. Thank you.